Bank off part 2, Lady M. Same bank, same date. Let's see whether we get a slightly different result because the last episode wasn't exactly spectacular.
Well, according to you, it should be identical.
Yes. Yeah. No, I do have a theory, but I'm that confident.
Oh, you get to look at your book.
And that because I'm going to get something to add for it. I'm that confident.
Right.
So hello everybody, and welcome to another episode of Bungle Collects. Me, who's found the football, and Lady M, who hasn't, are going to be going through £250 worth of 50 pences, trying to. You got a Team GB. Whoa. Trying to find the rare and valuable ones, the ones that you can find in your change, and hopefully the ones that are worth more than face value, and something from my book, including a Salmon.
Yeah, you can turn it out now.
No, this is for Monty, because Monty's promised if we find 2 spare, he's going to buy them for many, many pounds. So that's in there. So that's a spare gotcha, which rhymes like gotcha. So I'm that confident. I have shown you the book. Let's see if we can whip out something worth seeing. If you understand and take my meaning. There is a tale of Peter Rabbit. Peter Rabbit's tale is not worth discussing. He's very, very common, as is this Brexit coin. Lots and lots of them around. High mintage. That's another high mintage. That's Christopher Ironside. Oh, well, I'm already doing amazingly well. Oh, there's a Christopher Ironside with a fatter writing on. Look, is it more common than I thought? Can you see there? Got a slack die there. The old die's got baggy when it's done the stamp, and it's that you've got the fatter writing there. So I've got one in my book because I just wasn't totally sure how many I was going to find. So I might just keep that just in case, although it's more, it does appear to be more common than I thought. Not as common as you, Lady M.
Right.
You're pretty common as far as commons go, aren't you? Mm-hmm. In the common. The every lady, as I like to say, and I don't mean ex-Hermes parcels, I just mean that you're a lady for everybody. There is a...
I think this hole that you're digging is getting ever so slightly bigger.
Oh goodness me! Yeah, I tell you what, I've got a hole that's coming up in the solo hunts on a Sunday because I'm quite far ahead, and I've been off this week, as you well know, and you haven't. So I've had to amuse myself in other ways. Yes, I've got the chores done, clean, around the house, cleaning the mat, just a few little jobs, that type of thing. But it involves quite a bit of coin hunting. So I think I'm into May now in terms.
How did that make it through the machine?
Sorry,
no way it will go through ours.
There's a bar in you there,
yeah.
But I'm into May, into May.
Oh, with your coin hunt.
Yeah.
Heck.
Yeah, because it's only one a week, isn't it? And I've had so many £2 coins off the #1 post office lady, Liz and Sue. And of course they're expensive, aren't the £2 coins? So I can't hang around. They need to be hunted through. There's a Brexit. No, a diversity, which will go with Brexit for the little diversity set there for the 2 coins.
Shiny for a 2002, isn't it?
They came out in 2020. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. So, but what it was, because I've done really well on the in terms of really rare £2 coins. I think I spoilt it in the last one, didn't I? I said that I found one, but there's even more to come. Honestly, what a run I'm having on the £2 stuff. So if you like £2 in rare ones, please do make sure you're subscribed or turn them notifications on and watch it on a Sunday, because that's a mix and match. It's £2, it's 50p, sometimes it's a bit of both. But anyhow, so I didn't get them off Liz because Liz has been off. So it was the lady, another one of the ladies. But before I knew the names, I had to describe them, didn't I? Remember, I had names for people. So, and I didn't know whether she was happy for me to name her, because I didn't want to use her actual name. And I did ask her when I was in the bank this week, and she never actually said either way whether I should use it or not. I wasn't sure whether she was like, oh, listen, she didn't really want me to, but didn't want to say. So anyway, I didn't. So I was trying to describe who she was, and then I talked about what I used to call her, but I didn't obviously say the words, because it's quite... the words I used to describe aren't necessarily... Even though I meant no harm by them.
Wow, just stop.
Yeah,
just
no,
absolutely stop.
I'm down the rabbit hole again. So
honestly, just behave. Just stop talking.
If you want to say,
just change the subject.
So if you want to listen to a guy who gets really uncomfortable trying to explain that,
Memorial.
a guy who's, you know, over 30, shall we say, I end up right down a rabbit hole. So it's, yeah. Anyhow.
Honestly, you need to just be gagged sometimes.
So I'm actually hoping she doesn't watch it. Not that it was not derogatory. I'm not in any way.
Oh,
It's
continuing. Just stop.
It's a compliment if anything, but that's just not the way it is these days. It's
it?
Yeah.
Is it the initial ones? Like
Yeah.
Dear God, honestly,
Yeah,
you're an absolute barbarian.
No, well, I didn't actually say what it was, but I would sound that, wouldn't I, in this modern day?
Yeah.
Back in my day, it would have been a compliment.
Not really.
Oh, it would have, definitely. Well, maybe it's more of a...
From a blog point of view, you think it's a compliment.
Yeah, okay. Have you not beat you? I've called you it, though, in the past, and did you not find it complimentary?
Not really.
Did you not just think, oh, look at that? I think I need that, you know. Oh, imagine it's a Blue Peter. Anyway, so we'll steer away from that old school conversation that I had with myself. It's excruciating. Even that was excruciating. Right. I think I need athletics.
Far better.
We're hoping, check for rotations. I'm hoping that it's going to be a 2009 and then it's big money. No, it's 2011. It's 2011. That's all right. That was normal. That was expected. I must have found a Victoria cross. I did. I put this just to one side while I finished the bag off. Let me just check my book because I think I need athletics. No, I don't.
I didn't think you did.
I don't. You do then. Someone does. One of us does.
Oh, obviously I
Yeah,
do.
you do. Oh, it's another blocker. It's another blocker. Well, this week when I've been filming the aforementioned solo hunts, the first 50p, I did two 50p's on the bounce, and the first one was like, oh, bonus, I don't need them, but you did.
Spotter anniversaries.
So I'm like, you know what I mean? This is awesome. Like, because there's nothing worse than finding something from your solo book that you've already got, but you need for your book during the week. So I was like, well, I've just blocked Lady M here. And then just to myself, I don't think I actually said that out loud because I'm not a child. But
I think we've just established that you are.
Or competitive. And but then in the next hunt, I did it to myself. It was the exact opposite. So I was like, oh, well, at least that's balanced out. But there was some nice finds. It's worth watching the Sunday hunts. I know it doesn't have... Oh, there we go, Monty. Monty, get your money out. Monty, get your money out. Do. There's another Salmon. He said when I get two, he would buy them. I'll swap this out. That's got a nasty stripe down in there. Look, Monty is prime. In fact, I meant to get the. In fact, they're there. I'm going to get them. Do you remember he sent us them coasters because they're still on display in the Magic Studio. When I found the football, he was like, get your coasters out for the lads. So I'll show that. So yeah, I'll see if I can get the line out. Anyhow, just for the why not with a polishing cloth because I've been thinking about the polishing coins because I quite enjoy it on the sly. On the sneak. I don't tell anybody because the snobbery of the coin fraternity. Snobbery is the wrong term. The purists of the coin fraternity are like, no, don't. You will micro damage them. But I just like them because they're shiny. I've done several videos on coin cleaning actually.
Can I just check what you had for your breakfast? And were there any
a trumpet
stimulants in it?
A trumpet. You wish, Lady M, you wish.
Not those kind of stimulants, do you?
Stimulation is an interesting word. Right, so I've got a 2007.
And I was going to use
right, come on, be an Isaac Newton.
Cocaine or something.
Oh no, it's not. It's a shield.
I opted not to.
It's a shield, but it's got a dirty line through it, so we'll get shot of it. Yeah, well, this bag's nothing like that other bag, is it? Blows my theory out the water. That's for sure.
Basically.
Anyway, back to Monty. So he said, listen, well, I don't know, it was a while ago, like when he mentioned it, but he said, listen, I'll help out with the channel funds. I'll buy a couple of salmons off you. So if you still need a Monty, I might even just email you, although I might feels a bit forward, that, doesn't it? A bit cheeky. Like, hello, Monty, do you want to buy these?
Do you wrinkle?
But I wonder what kind of... I think he was on about like £100 each or something, I think he said. Yeah, oh, come on. Come on. Oh, no, 50... Yeah. Oh, no, this has got to be... Hang on. So
Honestly, just turn the coin over and you'll know exactly
no,
what it is.
well, it can't be a. It's got 50 pence, so it must be Coronation. There it is.
Right, there's a dictionary.
Coronation. Put it over there. Yeah, because it has 50 pence on that side. You see, you can tell by where the 50 pence is written or not whether it's going to be a salmon. But yeah, rumoured just to be 500,000 mintage. The salmon still selling on eBay or on Facebook groups. They still sell for £8 a piece. So that's you know what I mean. So these Facebook groups knows where it's at, don't they? So right. While you finish that off,
so we've got the full. What are you calling it? Triple crown.
The triple crown. The 3 royal 50p's. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. So yeah, so Monty sent us these back in the day when we had a PO box. He got these coasters made for us. That's the Bungle.
Shiny Jeremy Fisher.
Bungle logo.
Oh, if I could keep all of it, my hands are cold now. There we go.
Told you about the eating on.
I have.
Oh, that was that. Mine and Lady M's the me emojis. Look how all they had the black background there with the originals on the original badges. That went to white years later. And then I did the football. Could never find it. So like 5 years later, I eventually found my own football. And I can't remember why was I pulling that face. It was something that was good.
Found something. Was it a 2011?
Don't know.
AFC shield.
Oh yeah, it could have been. Yeah, it could have been. So yeah, still treasure them, Monty. Still over there on the Magic Studio shelving. So yes, get in touch, Monty. In fact, I'll probably just do I wait for him to contact me? Oh, that is shiny, isn't it? Do I wait for him to contact me? So this is my book, isn't it?
You're absolutely full of verbal diarrhea today, aren't you, dear?
Verbal diarrhea. Right. So I'm gonna stick this 2013 in because I'm just in case, but it does seem to be coming more. Maybe it is just a worn die. Just maybe there's loads of them with a baggy writing. I think they're an oddity. Not oddity. They're not an error. They're just the die's been used too long. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, Lydia? Are you with me?
Please stop talking.
Are you with me? I'm going to, and I'll leave that. I'm going to see if I can polish that. Why don't I give people a treat now?
Oh,
listen. No, let's give them a treat. Oh, let's see if we can do it live. Because these are the polishing cloths that I get off eBay. Gone up in price like a £5 or something nowadays. I think I paid less than £1 each. You know, bloody Brexit and COVID, inflation. Right. Okay. So we see that line. Let's see if we can make this line disappear. I don't think I've ever made a line like this disappear. I'm not even sure what the line is, but the coin isn't that old. It can only been in circulation for, where are we now? We're still in March, aren't we? Just about Easter at the time. Just about to hit Easter at the time of filming. So they came out in November. So December 1, January 2, February 3, March. It's only been out 4 months. So let's see if we can do the biz. So yeah, I think Monty was on about giving us £100 each for these, you know. Yeah, I think it was a couple £100 plus post.
I don't think
it was plus post.
I think you might be making that one up.
I think this will.
In fact, I'm going to put money on you making that one up.
It'll be
like my house.
It'll be 2 weeks at least till this video uploads. I can't wait that long for Monty to see the video and contact us. I'm going to have to email him.
Just message him and say I've got 2 now. Do you still want them?
Yeah.
It's no big shakes, and if he says no, he says no, and if he says yes, we'll sort out a price.
Yeah, no, I feel bad. Like if it's big money, I'm like I feel bad taking it. You know, when don't be wrong, I'll bloody take it. I'm like yeah, son, take PayPal. Oh. Take PayPal or bank transfer. But damn right, I'll take it. But yeah, I will feel a little bit. I don't know. I don't like, you know, I don't want to like rip anybody off or anything.
Don't then. Just
I know, but what if it's like ridiculous money? What if it's ridiculous? I mean, what we talking ridiculous?
I've no idea. He probably just wants to pay. What's the going rate? £8.
Well, it is at the minute on Facebook groups. Yeah,
yeah,
about £10 on eBay, but you obviously got your fees and everything on there.
I can't imagine he's going to be wanting to pay much more.
Well, I don't know. Hey, look at that, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. So it's gone, hasn't it?
Yeah. So put that one in the book and give him.
It has gone.
One of the others.
Just shows you the old polishing little tickle. Give it a little tickle with the old doodad, and everyone is a winner. Charles is he's already quite shiny, but I'm just going to give him a little buff. Little buff up there, Lady M. I do get some it is quite rough on the old fingers, I think, but I do really enjoy just giving that you know, restoring it to its former luster. So there we go. Nice. Wherever that line is, It's gone. Right, Monty. Get in touch with my friend, although I might have already been in touch. I want to swap the Jeremy picture as well. I'll do that. Anyway, right. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you. I'll see you in the next episode.
I need a Valium.